Hi, I'm Daniella Hernandez Salas. I'm an award-winning wig professional. Our video is going to be how to put a wig on correctly. Today I am working with model Sonia. I will be showing you how to put the wig on for Sonia, and I will also be showing you how Sonia can put the wig on without assistance. Sonia does have hair. I also just want to share, a lot of times we may not have hair, but the process would be pretty much the same. I'm going to take Sonia's hair and I am going to be using regular bobby pins. We're going to make Sonia's hair as flat as possible, regardless of your hair length. You just want to find a way to put it in a really flat bun. If it's longer, you can separate the hair and create two buns. But initially, you just want to make sure that your hair is as flat as possible. Sonia's hair is a little bit shorter, so we do have to use a few more bobby pins. I myself wear a wig. My hair's longer, so I basically have learned how to put it up without any pins. But as you do this more regularly, it'll be more comfortable. I will be using for her a basic nylon cap. We also have a mesh cap. These come in different colors. And you're going to pick the color closest to the base color. Like my wig here, I would be using a darker one, so that if the wig slips, you don't see the wig cap. And if you don't mind, Sonia, if you'll hold this from the front, please. And we're gonna go from front to back, making sure that we have all the hair tucked away. This here in the front is gonna fit right at your natural hairline. You can use your fingers to put the hair underneath the wig cap or a rat tail comb. I find it easier to just use my fingers, but whatever's more comfortable for you. This is an open end wig cap, and you can just take the little ends here and fold them under. And always make sure that this is at your natural hairline. So now I'm going to show you how to put a wig on. I'm gonna first show you how to put the wig on Sonia, and then I will have Sonia put the wig on herself without my assistance. Today we have Ivana from our René Paris line. This is a fabulous color. We're gonna hold this in the front here. Place this piece on your forehead, on your hairline here, and then we're gonna go front to back. And with lace pieces, you want to make sure that you're very gentle when you're putting them on. Then we're going to make sure that this piece is right at her natural hairline. On each wig, there are tiny ear tabs on each side. Sonia, if you'll just take a feel for these here. There's just a tiny piece of bendable wire, and you want to keep them flat to the head. If you wear eyewear, you can contour them so that it's easier for you to just slip your eyewear on. You want to make sure that these are in the temple area. When you put your wig on, you want to make sure in the back here, there's a nape piece. I know you can't see it, but it's very important that you make sure that this piece is not folded under. Just run your fingers across the bottom here to make sure that it's comfortable and flat. It should contour to the back of the neck here, right underneath the occipital bone. It's very important here when you place your wig on, it pretty much naturally falls where it needs to, but you don't want to pull your wig too far down. What happens is if it's too far, when you move, the wig will move with you. So just take your hand and make sure that you move it to where it's comfortable. This is very, very easy, whether someone's assisting you or whether you're doing this on your own. Isn't that a fun piece? When you're removing your wig, especially a lace front piece, you want to make sure that you gently lift and remove. Now I'm going to have Sonia apply the wig to herself. So if you'll take this and turn it around, there you go. And we're going to hold it in the nape area here. So hold it here. And you're going to place the lace on your forehead, and we're going to go front to back. Okay, Sonia, let's give it a try. Okay, let's check your ear tabs. Very good, and you did very good for your first time. Okay, let's just make sure here that we don't have the lace tucked under. And you always want to make sure that you check your ear tabs. Great job.
Thank you.
After you've put your wig on, and if you feel like you would secure it, it's not necessary, but if you feel more comfortable with the wig being secured, you can take a few bobby pins, and in every wig, other than maybe something that's been custom made. There are pieces where you can use a little pin, and you're gonna grab wig foundation with wig cap, and we're just gonna take one little bobby pin, make sure it's hidden. Then you could put another pin on the other side, and I'm doing the same on this side. And this will secure your wig in place. And this would be the same application for someone who has hair and for someone who doesn't have hair. And there you go.